Hello, this is Eser Vural from For the Wall. We are at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. Today, I'll be giving you a brief introduction to our HCP HERA Conference Platform, a conference software that has been designed to fit the needs of a wide array of different conferencing environments, ranging from the smallest of meeting rooms to the largest of parliaments. Our software has a plethora of customization options, along with flexibility, scalability, and robust features. Let's check out the administration page first. Here we see the main admin page of our conference platform. Through here we'll be creating our custom meetings, votings, rules, agendas, etc. But we start by creating our seats. Once we want to add a new seat, we'll be prompted to give a name to our seat, a number to our seat, IDs, serial numbers of the delegate units that we'll be planning to use, and the IP addresses of the said delegates, the type of the delegates, and the name, and designate if the nameplates are active or passive. Afterwards, we move on to creating our room. For the meeting room, when we want to add a new one, we give a room name, of course, the background colors and the background image is possible. So there are an array of different customization options here. Once we create it, let's check out, one of the older designs that have already been created here. There are in total 8. These are also, of course, drag and drop. You just drag seats into the canvas. And as I said, the image and the design is fully customizable. After we complete the room creation, we create our delegates. Of course, for each delegate, we can use some avatar pictures, profile pictures, the titles, name, surname, ID number, the delegate types. If there's an affiliation of political parties, we can see it here. Of course, the photo, the portfolios, the identities, and the permissions. The vote weights, well, depending on the exact requirements of different legislative bodies and different decision-making environments. And also any additional information that can be displayed. So we have 4 delegates currently created, one of them being a chairman. Then the political parties can be created here, the media files that can be used, such as the avatars, the documents, or any sort of portfolios. These can include any sort of additional information regarding acts to be proposed, or any other document that you might require for your meeting. And then, of course, there is the camera control option. That is an additional module. If you want, you can automate your PTZ camera functions through our HERA Conference Platform. And now, afterwards, we create our templates for example, meetings. There's a one meeting template here. It is a free seating template. That means anybody can sit anywhere. The room for it is a room synoptic one. The authentication type, it can be badge or fingerprint, maybe no authentication at all. Also, face recognition is on the roadmap. If you want, we can user manual here for the users. Just here, select what sort of menus will be visible on the delegate screen. And for votings, for example, an open voting or closed voting it can be. We can decide on the timer type. It can be countdown or count up, the total time, all other custom options, along with the number of options that are possible. Maybe here, accept, reject. And here is a quick preview of the options here. Of course, I can add another option and give it 4th option. I can, of course, change this color, change the vote weight, the button numbers, they all can be arranged. For speech requests, again, you can have the maximum request count, maybe limited requests. Showing index would mean who spoke, what was the recent speakers. You can see it from here. You can choose to have it or opt out of it, and all other customizations can be made here again. Now, from the administration screen, also we have the synoptic view. This will be seen by the administrator on the director's desk. Whenever someone picks the floor, starts speaking, It will highlight, also this will highlight the seats that are currently occupied during the meeting, which we will see later. We create, lastly, after we create our meetings, we can create a meeting from here. We select from one of our meetings. We already have one meeting created here and host. So let's see how it will go when I start the meeting from here.